If a contractor damages your house, who pays for repairs? An Altamonte Springs family claims that a roofer flooded their home and repairs could now cost them more than $80,000.
So when the roofer didn't respond, the homeowners called action on consumer investigator Todd Ulrich.
Within minutes, water flooded the house, damaging ceilings, cabinets, and flooring.
That water just kind of cascaded and went over everything.
Homeowner Jim Salas blames a contractor hired to fix this minor roof leak.
This was their mistake.
Absolutely. This was a move-in ready house.
Jim bought the house days before, then delayed moving in until some repairs were done. He said workers from Century Roof Specialists entered the attic.
They were up there for a few minutes and heard a very loud bang, as if someone had either fallen or jumped.
Jim claims an employee broke this pressurized sprinkler line. The ceiling collapsed. Water soaked the house. The roofer sent a restoration company to limit damages. But since then,
we haven't had anybody come back to us and give us any information.
The roofing contractor is state licensed and insured, but the owners say getting these damages covered has been a painful ordeal.
Repairs could hit $80,000, but Jim says Century Roof won't say if it's filing with its liability insurance.
No response at this point.
Hi, Todd Ulrich from Channel 9.
At Century's Sanford office, we got a different response.
A good part of the home was flooded.
Right.
And they can't get answers.
Well, we report everything to, we have a liability insurance.
So that is happening.
I think so, yeah.
Later, the contractor did file, but now its insurance company denied the claim, saying a leaking sprinkler pipe was a pre-existing condition.
There was no issue with any of the piping.
That passed an inspection.
It did.
And Jim says his home inspection proves there was nothing wrong with the plumbing when those workers arrived. His own homeowner's policy can cover damages, but that could drive up his premium to pay for somebody else's mistake.